Hi friend, this is Pawan Sharma. How are you guys? If you're an option trader, then this video is for you. If you trade in options, if you buy call, if you buy put, and if you trade Nifty, Bank Nifty, then this is going to help you in many ways. We're going to talk in this video about what is PCR. What is PCR means? Put call ratio. What is PCR, put call ratio? This is a very basic term which is used in options, but still I would say most of the trader does not know about it. In fact, if they know about it, they don't use it very frequently. So in this video, we're going to cover all the basics about PCR. Here, I assume that you already know about what is a call, what is a put. If not, then we're going to cover this part in coming videos. But for now, as I said, that this video is basically dedicated for PCR only. All right. And guys, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe to it. That way you can support my channel a lot. And do not forget to press the bell icon, because the moment we'll post any new video in future, because of that bell icon, you'll get the notification. And do not forget to look into the description box, which is just below the video. There you will find our website. There you will find a lot of courses. If you are new to the market, if you want to open new accounts, then Demat account for Zerodha and Upstock link is there. If you're looking for support in live market without any charges, then the link for our Telegram channel is also there. First of all, let's understand what is PCR. PCR is put call ratio. In simple manner, total number of put divide by total number of calls is known as PCR. Okay, so as we are dividing these numbers, so of course we will get something like anything which is 1, above 1 and below 1. Okay, so if in case the value of this total number of put and total number of call is 1, then we generally say indecisive, and if it's above 1, we say positive. Earlier we used to say that if the value goes up till 1.5 to 1.6, then generally we talk about that now this is going to be overbought. We're going to talk about this in detail. Don't worry about this one. Overbought. And if in case it goes below 0.3 to 0.4, like of course below 1, then we say oversold. So when the market is overbought, generally we tend to take put from high. Okay, so that way we can just book our profit in call, and we can change our positions to put. So we can say that market is overbought and now some selling will come to the market. Similarly, if the market is oversold, if the PCR is 0.3 to 0.4, then we can say that the positions on the sell side are more than the buy side. Now the short covering will come, the buying will come, because now the market has gone into oversold category. So generally people will start buying from this particular position. So this is one important point. But how to find these puts and how to find these values, this is really easy to find. You don't have to struggle too much. Absolutely very easy. So for that we have to go to option chain and we can find this data. First of all, I would be covering the part where you have to manually calculate the PCR. For that, we'll come to the nsindia.com and we'll open the option chain on nsindia.com. On your screen, you will see a Nifty option chain, and that is for 4th of Jan 2024 expiry. You will scroll down to the bottom, and if you look at here, this is the OI and this is the total OI. So if I just say this is 16 lakh 17. So I'll just open the calculator for you. We'll take the put side first, which is 1487,626. Okay, 1487. Okay, it's fine. 426 and divide by, hardly makes a difference. Divide by 16,17,687. So what we did, we take the total number of puts divided by total number of calls, and we just say divide, which is 0.91. So if you look at here, this is almost close to 1, but of course it is below 1. So we can say that the market sentiment for now is bit bearish. Fine. So this is one way to identify it. The next way is we'll go to sensible.com, which I use. If you have account with Upstock or if you have account with Zerodha, if you don't have, you can open the your account with these two brokers, and the link in the description box. So with these two accounts, you will find Sensible free of cost. You don't have to pay extra charge to them. So go to this trade, analyze. So second point is analyze, and analyze. If you just say open interest, in open interest, if you just scroll down a bit, you will find something, this one. And if you look at here, total number of calls, call change, put change, and the PCR is, where is the PCR? The PCR is 0.93. Okay, so India VIX and PCR. We're going to talk about India VIX in a separate video. I'll just take a note of that. And the PCR is 0.93. So once again, the PCR is a kind of bearish sentiment, but not too much as of now. But it is still about 0.90. So we can still say that it can recover, and we can once again back into the positive momentum. If it slides below 90, so we can say that the momentum toward the bearish side is gripping up. So that's how we understand the market sentiment. And if you look at here, this 28th price, 28, and if you just go to the bottom, once again you say open interest of 4 Jan and 11 Jan expiry. If you look at here, total number of calls, total number of put, PCR is this one. So once again, this is around the same levels, 0.93. And if you look at here, it is almost 0.91. So this is the same data, 0.9. And this is for Nifty. If I just look at the Bank Nifty, and you can find the same with Bank Nifty also. So just look at 0.81. So Bank Nifty is more bearish as compared to Nifty, and the India VIX is generally for Nifty only. Don't consider India VIX with Bank Nifty, but the OI change, this OI for this PCR for Bank Nifty is 0.81. So we can say that the sentiment in Bank Nifty is much more bearish as compared to Nifty. If we just scroll down, this is this here 0.8. Total number of calls is 1.82. Total number of put is 1.45, which is almost like the calls are higher. If the number of calls are more, then we generally say the resistance is there, and if the number of puts are there, we generally say support is there. So if total number of calls are higher as compared to total number of puts, generally it's an indication that market has more resistance over the upper level. If you just talk about the resistance, we will be covering this into the coming video. So don't worry about this point also. And this is how we understand the PCR. If you just open their option chain also, and you just look at the dismiss. If you look at the Greeks here, we can find the Greeks. Yeah, here are the Greeks, Gamma, Vega, and all these things are there. There are a few websites also which will provide you live PCR on your this OI this option chain only, and that will be as per the per strike price. I mean to say, if I have to explain you how should I do that. Not this one. This one is QuantSap, and the other one is Sensible. So if in case you are looking for the same setup, so that won't be there. It is about QuantSap. And if we just say OI futures and upsides, build up sectors and option OI option chain is there, but that's not something which you are looking at. And okay, let me just build that for you. Don't worry. What you will find that there is a line here, and let's say the market is trading at 21,800 and 21,800. Okay, and the premium for this one is, let's say, 100, and this is 100. So on this only you will get PCR here. Okay, PCR means total number of put for this strike price, total number of put for this strike price, and you will get the PCR right away for each and every strike price, for each 21,750, 21,700, 21,650, 21,600. For each and every strike price you will have a separate PCR also. But I would say, if in case only this PCR, how you have to analyze the situation. If only this PCR is bearish and the rest of are bullish, you will wait. If this PCR is bearish, this one is also bearish, and the third one is also bearish, and of course on top will definitely be bearish, you can buy put. And if it's only one part is bearish, you don't have to do anything. You'll wait, and maybe it might also turn bullish. Similarly, if you find here bullish, and on the upper sides also, if you find it bullish, on the lower side also if you find bullish, it's time to buy call. So this is how we have to deal with each and every strike price interpretation. So you can, if in case you have some platform or maybe some tool which will provide you PCR for each and every site, that is also the same thing. So once again, let me reiterate. If PCR is above 1, then it's like on 1, then we say indecisive. If it's 1.0 to 1.5, it is bullish, and 1.5 and above, it is overbought. All right. And if we just talk about here, let's say now this is one, then we say we can buy put here, but don't buy blindly. check for the chart, check for the resistance, and check for the immediate support also. Once the market or the stock takes support on that particular stock, do not do anything. If that support is broken, and once if it try to once again regain to the same level, wait. If it failed to regain the same level, then you can buy. Then once again, 1 is indecisive, then 0, 1 and 2, 0.4, or I would say 0.3 these days, and this is bearish. Below 0.3 we say oversold, and here it's time to buy call. Here also you just have to first check that the stock is like stopped falling. First of all, the stock has stopped falling and it is holding, and then it started to rise, you can buy call. So this is how we interpret PCR values. This is how we find PCR values, how you can utilize your PCR values in your options. Now you know all about it. I hope this will help you, and I'll see you into my next video, guys. And do not forget to like and subscribe the videos and channel. I'll see you into my next video. Take care, guys. Bye bye.